Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, we see what are pivot tables and how these tables can be used in Excel. Pivot table in an Excel is used to summarize the data from a table or a pool of data. It also helps us in sorting, averaging, or summing the data from some other pool of data. See how this works. To insert a pivot table in Excel, go to the Insert tab on the top and click on the pivot table. With table, a window appears which asks us to select a table or a range. So we click here and let's select this range and press enter. Now it gives us an option to either use the pivot table in an existing worksheet or a new worksheet. Let's take a new worksheet and press OK. As soon as you press OK, we see that a new sheet is created in your Excel sheet. And on the right side, we have certain parameters that we can use to define our pivot table. Now let's try to use these. Let's select name and drag it to the row labels. We see as soon as we perform an action on the right hand side, certain tables are created on the left hand side. Now we select the subject and move it to the column labels. So we see that the subjects appear on the columns. Now let's select score and put in the values. So we see on the left hand side that very easily we get a new graphical representation of our data. And it also gives us the total scores and the total score of all the students. What we can also do here is we can put other parameters such as roll number in the labels. So the roll numbers will be attached to the students. Also, we can use other parameters like grades and distinctions. In this way, you can define the rows and columns of the pivot table and use it as per your requirement. I hope this would be helpful for your work and will help in easy representation of your data by the way you want. Thank you very much. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel Excalibur.